Hi everyone. I recently came across a new product that has been launched by xAI, the SpaceX company, to create your own voice agents in under 2 minutes. So I want like to give it a try and create a voice AI agent and give a phone number attached to it and see how easy it would be. So for it, I'm clicking on try it for now, and it automatically gives me a pop-up window. All I need to do is describe your agent's use case. So yeah, I will choose this from the template here. Then it is asking me, let's build a personalized voice agent. What should it handle on calls? Explain about my website and simplify things. While this is creating, I'd like to give my website. There's a portfolio website I created. This is my own portfolio website, which tells everything about myself and my social media blogs that I've created, and all the working experience and my blogs that I have written. So let's see. I'll just copy paste this link and see what happens here. So it went to thinking mode. It is searching the web. Should it search the web to pull the latest details live? I'll say yes. I'll build a personal AI assistant. Oh, it already started creating it. Oh, the agent is created. I'll click on open agent. Oh, perfect. I think this has written a very detailed system prompt for me, which consists of role and persona, objective, conversational flow, and everything. And this is the welcome message. Oh, perfect. I think this is acting very good. It also added the tool calls. So if I want to add any new tools, oh, that's great. I can transfer call, search the X platform. Oh, there is an API request also. Let's play with these later in a later video, but I'd like to show how easy and fast it is for creating a AI agent like this. Okay, let's set up a phone number to call your agent. Let me see what happens here. Okay, new number. Okay, Naveen's personal assistant, add number. By clicking add number, okay, I'm agreeing to the terms. I'll click on add number. Oh, perfect. It has already created a phone number for me. Awesome. Let us see, as it is saying that it has created the AI agent. Let me give it a try. 904 915 731.
Hi, this is Naveen's personal assistant. How can I help you today?
Who is Naveen and what can you tell about him?
Naveen Chatlapalli is a manager of solution architecture at Ashling Partners, a UiPath MVP and Dallas chapter leader, and a Gen AI engineer. He focuses on designing automation solutions for enterprises with a side mission of simplifying topics around AI, automation, habits, and books. If you'd like more details on his work or recent content, just let me know.
This is great. Thank you for the information. I think this is amazing. Within no time, I'm able to create my own personal assistant, and I'm able to get a phone number and get a live conversation done. So I think the technology is making things so simpler. You should also give it a try to create voice AI agent using xAI's new platform. Yeah, that is for my video. But before we log off, I'd like to show you that I added some credits. So let's see how much credits it has consumed. I added $5. I only spoke for 40 seconds, like so. Let me see my credits. Yeah, see, it only charged for 5 cents, which is actually the claim that they are making, 5 cents per minute. This is great. So stay tuned. I'll be giving you more videos like this.